Updating your payout destination on Yahoo Mail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings menu, then select more settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to payment settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Yahoo.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your payout information. Here, you will see your current payout destination. Click on the option to edit or update this information. Enter your new payout details as required, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout destination, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new payout information is saved. Make sure to review your updated payout destination periodically to keep your payment information secure and accurate.